ladies and gentlemen, Average Garage. This is just a quick tutorial of how to install Piak recovery points after you've installed your Piak bar. So these recovery points must be used with the bar, so I just thought I'd get that out of the way. Now you'll see at the moment I'm removing the two wing plates. There's one on either side of the bar. You have to remove these to gain access to some of the bolts. So you'll see I've left one bolt in there but loose. It's just holding on by a couple of threads. This actually holds the wing plate up, so you can, like you're seeing now, I can hold the wing plate, undo that one last bolt, bring it down. Otherwise it'll probably drop on your face. Now you'll see I've skipped to the other side. In the other clip, if you're an eagle eye, you would have seen I've already actually done this side, but my camera was playing silly buggers as with the whole time I've fitted the bar. So you undo these four bolts that you've just seen me undo now. One of them is captured into the chassis, the others all have nuts behind them. Now put these bolts to one side, you won't need them anymore because the recovery points will come with new lengths and new pitch sizes of these bolts. So grab the new bolts out the packet. As you can see, I'm fitting up the recovery point now. Start all the bolts loose, do not tighten them from the get-go or you will have a lot of trouble getting everything to line up. I can't stress enough, only do one side at a time. So it looks like I've done both at the same, that's just because dicky camera angles and the constant issues I had while I was filming this. But as you can see, you actually loosen off half the mounts of the bar to fit these recovery points. Now if you do all of them at once, or both sides at once, sorry, you will be asking for a bad time because the whole bar will move and settle in a different spot. It may not line up anymore with your guards, so just be careful with that. Do one side at a time. Now you'll see I use the rattle gun. All I'm really doing is nipping those up. I'm not really doing them up tight. You'll see in a little bit I actually have a torque wrench and they're all torqued up to spec. However, I don't feel the torque spec is strong enough. I feel it's a little bit too weak, so I went back afterwards and redid them all by feel, but that's just me. I would recommend using a torque wrench, but if like me you're unsure of the torque specification that Piak has set, you could always email them and ask for their recommendation, but I mean that's what they've already given me. So this is just how to install your Piak recovery points, so hopefully it helps somebody out and gives them a little bit of insight as to how it's done. And then as you've seen, once I've done all these bolts up, all I'm going to do is put the last wing panel back up and bolt that up nice and neatly, and Bob's your nana, it's all done. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again, folks. I hope this helped at least one person, if not many. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can keep up to date with all the new videos. this year. This is the first video of the year, but there will be many more videos to come. So stay tuned. Thanks and peace out. We'll see you in the next one.